we bought a SIM card from different telcos, and we entered the face of an animal actually, and different names. Natanggap pa rin, ma'am, actually. Sa law enforcement side, medyo nahihirapan din kami mag-track kasi pag tiningnan namin kung sino yung pangalan o owner ng SIM na yon, iba po yung lumalabas.
Alam ko kasi yung telco, gusto nila marami talaga silang subscribers. So they'll make it as easy as possible. This is really sad.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.